welcome back to my channel. Hope you people are doing good. So today I have brought another tasty and healthy recipe in front of you guys. So today I gonna make parval fry. Yes, parval fry is very nutritious, guys. So parval is termed as pointed gourd in English. I will show you in the thumbnail how parval looks. I know you already know it, but still I will show in the thumbnail. So parval is very high in nutrition value. Not only that, its seeds are also very helpful. Yes, so if you are having the problem of constipation, so you definitely include parval into your diet, because the seeds of parval are very beneficial for constipation. Yes. Not only that, guys, so it is having antioxidants and it is rich in vitamin A and vitamin C. So vitamin A is good for your eyes and vitamin C is good for your nails and skin. You already know that. And see, as it is having antioxidants and vitamin C, it is good for immunity boosting. And guys, you will never imagine that parval is used for treating flu. Yes, it is good for flu. It is good for throat problems. So guys, definitely include parval in your diet. And the main thing is that it is also good for weight loss. Yes, so if you are planning for weight loss, you should definitely eat parval. And guys, not only that, another important benefit is that it also slow downs the aging process. Yes, it slow downs the aging process. So the people who is having diabetic or sugar problems, please include parval in your diet. So it is good for blood sugar also. So it is good for blood sugar. So definitely try this at home. So guys, I have shared the recipe. So please try at home and comment below and tell me how you like the recipe. So definitely try at home, as it is very beneficial. I have washed the parval. So I have cut my parval. You should cut like this. Each parval in 4 pieces. Add the cut parval in a bowl. Add bit of mustard oil. Add some salt. Salt according to your taste. Add turmeric. Add cumin powder. Add chili powder. Add 1 spoon of rice powder. This is rice flour. Mix well. Now take a pan, add some oil into it. Put the parval pieces into this. Let them fry until they become crispy and golden brown. See, I have shallow fried the parval. Now they are ready to eat. You can have them with chapati or rice. Now I am taking them out into the serving bowl. See guys, parval fry is ready. Guys, thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe to my channel. So guys, do comment below. So guys, bye and take care.